Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 278 different strategies, with 85 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, we have outperformed 168 of the other strategies that we have put it up against using the Academy of Forex indicator. And we've also tested a total of 1,005 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. So the source video says, amazing scalping strategy, get perfect signals every time. Now, as I've said many times before, no strategy, no indicator is going to be perfect or 100%. It's not going to give you a perfect signal every single time. Every strategy, every indicator is going to take some losing trades, but that doesn't mean that the strategy is unprofitable. And so let's go ahead and put it to the test and see what we can get out of it. We'll go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. So the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the TUE ADX MACD. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this. And so under the settings, under the smoothing, you're going to change that to 9. Under the fast MACD length, you're going to change that to 21. Under the MACD slow length, you're going to change that to 45. And under the signal length, the MACD signal length, you're going to change that to 14. And then click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the MA cross 50 and 200. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one. And so what you're going to do is just make these colors whatever colors you want. These are the two colors of the colors of the two moving averages. But what you'll want to do is on the top one right here, you're going to want to make the line weight of it a little bit smaller than the line weight of the second one. The second one will have a larger line weight like so. Do that, and again, set up the colors however you want. Then go ahead and click OK. So what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for price action to be below the two moving averages. So these two moving average lines right here. And then we want the smaller, the thinner of the two moving averages to be below the thicker one. And so basically the faster moving average, the 50, is below the 200. And so that is identifying a downtrend. And so once the two moving average line up like so, and price is below the moving averages, and we pick up a sell tag like this one right here, that's going to be our signal to then enter into a trade. We'll set our position right here. We'll put our stop just right above this pivot, and we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And it takes just a little bit, but we eventually stair-step our way down, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for price to be trading above the two moving average lines. We want the thinner of the two moving average lines to be above the thicker one. And so the faster moving average is above the slower, which is going to identify an uptrend. And then we want a buy tag from the ADX MACD indicator like this here. When all those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot right here. And then we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see we make another really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 26 winning trades and 24 losing trades, putting it at a 52% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, total gain would have been $15,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600. That is a total gain of $6,000 altogether. So definitely not a bad strategy. Seemed to do rather well. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 39 winning trades and 9 losing trades, putting at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $23,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $12,600. So about double what you would have done with this strategy here. Now, interesting enough, this strategy here is a trend following strategy, and the Academy of Forex indicator is a reversal trading strategy. So you could use them both together and really maximize your profits from using them both. And so if you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 5 trades altogether, 3 winning, 2 losing. A 58% win rate would have been a gain of $600. On the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 3 winning, 1 losing. A 75% win rate would have been a gain of $1,200. For the week, we would have been up $1,800. At the 27-week total now, we would have been up $44,410 over 213 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. It's really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.